So you've got yourself a retail business, and you're wondering how you can increase your revenue. Or maybe you're just sick of being stuck in second gear while your competitors are flying by you in third. Well, if you have the sort of business where your clientele comes in, sits down, and stays for a while, then FKey Solutions has the perfect risk-free answer for you. With Kiosk, you can secure any PC and make it into a public, monetized, income-generating workstation or entertainment kiosk. Or perhaps you just want to install public computers without fear of people hacking and using it for doing something to your network. Keep watching and learn how to quickly become the boss of your computers without any extra learning. Gain additional income in your business to allow those luxuries for you and your family. Finally have the time to enjoy it all. Let me explain how I can help you. It's really very simple. Customers come into your store. You provide them with a time code that you generate. It's valid for a specific amount of time. Your customer uses the computer until the time runs out. Rinse and repeat. As you can see, it's a cycle that keeps going. Customer comes in, they pay their money to a cashier, they get a time code, they work for a while, when the time runs out they come back and they give you a little bit more money and they use your computer for a little bit longer. You can either make money by charging them directly for the time codes, or you can provide the service for free without any codes as a value-added benefit to your paying clients. Or you can combine the two. You can offer free computer use for a period of time to paying customers with the option for them to purchase more. Once you have the computers, Kiosk can have your public access PCs ready to go in minutes. It's also great for libraries and school computer labs. Heck, even the US Army uses it at their testing facilities to administer computerized exams. You'll have complete control over which programs and websites your customers are able to see and run. So as you can see, say you've got your entire Microsoft Office suite on one of your computers as well as your Internet Explorer web browser. Now what you can do is you can modify it so that your customers can only use, say, Microsoft Word and Outlook for email, and on their websites they can only visit your corporate website and they can visit maybe Gmail so they can check their email there as well. And that's it. You can limit access to anything else. This gives you complete control over your workstations as well as peace of mind, knowing that you won't have to spend all your time keeping an eye on your computers. Your computers will be locked down completely until you're ready to change something on them. Then, if you need to add or remove some software or change settings, unlocking them is a piece of cake. So you use your master password to unlock your workstation if you need to make any changes. You set up allowed applications and websites in unlocked mode. Kiosk software locks your computer and protects it from being tampered with, and then the user can only access applications and websites that you've specified. Unlocked, your computers are just like any other PCs. But locked, they're completely secure public workstations that nobody can make changes to or access anything you haven't allowed. You also don't need special or extensive computer knowledge. If you're even minimally proficient with computers, you can easily set up and maintain Kiosk. It's all point and click. And Kiosk prevents people from being able to gain access to your regular Windows environment. You won't have to change your operating system at all. Kiosk limits access automatically. And installation takes no more than 30 seconds. Installing on multiple systems is as easy as copying a config file or sharing it on your local network. Web browsing on your workstations will be totally secure as well. Not only can you limit which pages your clients are able to visit, but they'll also only have access to 4 browser buttons. No additional menus or buttons or options will be available to them. So you don't have to worry about them messing with your configuration or spend a lot of time cleaning up after they've changed your preferences on you. You can also disable specific keyboard keys, so your customers can't, for example, access your task manager with Control-Alt-Delete because you've disabled the Alt key. Kiosk can also be used to build up customer loyalty. You can do this by providing permanent usernames and passwords to specific customers of your choosing. That means even less hassle as far as configuring machines and providing temporary time codes, and your customers will become ever that much more loyal. So if you're ready to add an easy, risk-free revenue stream to your retail business, click the big orange button below. Now comes the important questions. How much does it cost, and what do you get with that? Well, here's where more is better. The price to install on one computer is only $79. You can make that back in just days by charging for computer access. But the best part is that the more computers you run, the less our software costs per machine. From a $7.52 saving if you run it on 2 computers to a $4,673.24 saving if you're running a 200 machine cafe, you'll keep money in your pocket by increasing your workstations. And each one is capable of paying for itself in no time flat. With that you get free support, so you can avoid paying the massive expense of hiring an IT professional. We'll provide free support to help you with any questions you have through email. You also get a 30-day trial. We won't even ask for your credit card for the first 30 days. You'll get a fully functional version of the software absolutely free to try out. That gives you a month to see what Kiosk can do for you. You also get a 30-day money-back guarantee. We're so sure you'll like the software that we're going to offer that to you unconditionally, a 30-day money-back guarantee. That guarantee is in addition to the 30-day trial period, so you actually have 60 full days to try out this software absolutely risk-free. By that time, you can already have earned the money back to pay for the software to begin with, meaning it's paid for itself before you've even spent a nickel. There is literally nothing to lose. So get ready to improve your business, improve your revenues, and improve your customer base. And get ready to do all of that without breaking a sweat. Or the bank. Now, you don't want to miss out on what this can mean to your business, so click the orange button below to order.